Welcome to the Front Row with Ed. In today's video, I'm going to talk about 5 early symptoms of Parkinson's. Number 1, you may notice changes in writing. Writing may become smaller and difficult to read. Number 2, changes in walking pattern, slower walking, difficulty changing directions, and you may even start shuffling your feet a bit, stubbing your toe. Number 3, a significant increase in soreness and rigidity in muscles, loss of range of motion, poor flexibility. Number 4, poor balance. You might notice your posture stooping forward a little bit and difficulty balancing on one foot. And number 5, loss of facial expression, resulting in a Parkinson's mask-like expression. If you or a loved one has any of these symptoms, please contact your physician today.